Hello Gadget Mania, still with me again with Mandesa. In this video I will discuss about cell phone again, but this time the latest mobile phone specifically for gaming from the CTA NUBIA brand, namely CT NUBIA Red Magic 6 series. There are three variants, namely CT NUBIA Red Magic 6, Red Magic 6 Pro, and Red Magic 6 Pro Special Edition Transparent Back. And I will discuss here only two mobile units, namely Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro. Specification, price, and difference. And before we start, as usual, click the like and subscribe button so that I can be more excited about making the following videos. Here is a product called USB WiFi signal booster for laptops and PCs. Its function is the distance between the Wi-Fi modem in the laptop or PC is far away and the signal is nothing strong. Using the USB amplifier, now just plug in the Wi-Fi signal becomes strong. And if you are interested in this USB, I have prepared the link in my description. Just click for purchase in e-commerce online shops in Indonesia such as Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada, Bukalapak, JD, and JD.id. Okay, let's just discuss the latest cell phone from the CTA NUBIA brand, namely Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro. Check it out. The two units of the mobile phone have been announced on March 4, 2021 in China and have been released on March 11, 2021 in China as well. As a gaming mobile phone, of course, the cell phone prioritizes its performance, and both units of this gaming cell phone in the performance section are the same. That is, both use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset is run a 5nm fabrication, which is combined with sufficiently large RAM and technology LPDDR5 for the Red Magic 6 with a capacity of 8GB and 12GB, as well as internal storage with a UFS 3.1 technology with a capacity of 128GB and 256GB. As for the Red Magic 6 Pro, with even more RAM, 12GB, 16GB, and 18GB, with LPDDR5 technology in internal storage with UFS 3.1 technology with a capacity of 128GB, 256GB, to 512GB. Wow, very rare. Moreover, the RAM boasts and Magic Write 2.0 features and include making it easier to play even heavy games. And to the two units, this cell phone both uses an octa-core 2.84 GHz processor and Adreno 660 as its GPU. And the operating system uses Android 11 based on Red Magic 4.0 as the interface. And on the screen, both Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro use the same AMOLED TV screen 1D colors or 1 billion colors. with a screen size of the 6.8-inch 2.5D glass with a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, with a sampling touch reaching 400 Hz with a full XD resolution plus 2400 by 180 pixels with an aspect ratio of 20:9, and the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. And there is also a selfie camera which is located at the top right with the camera resolution of the two units of this mobile phone, namely 8 megapixel wide lens. On the back of the cell phone, specially designed for mobile gaming, is very good and attractive for the Red Magic 6 and the Red Magic 6 Pro. Together there is a triple camera located in the middle of lining down right in the black line, like the Reddit model, with a main camera with 64 megapixel with lens resolution, a second camera with a 8 megapixel resolution with angel's lens with a 120 degrees angle, a third frame camera with a 2 megapixel macro lens, and there is in a ICE feature portrait mode PIF with video recording reaching 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 30 frames per second, and there is a Geo ICE feature for stabilization when recording video. At first glance, the camera part of this cell phone is normal because this cell phone is specially for gaming, so it focuses more on performance. For the size of the cell phone, the length and width is shown on the screen with 4 Red Magic 6 with a thickness of 9.7mm, while the Red Magic 6 Pro with a thickness of 9.8mm. Only a difference of 1mm for the weight of these two units of this mobile phone is the same, namely 220 grams. And the Red Magic 6 battery has a larger capacity, namely 5050 mAh with a 66 watt fast charging. With 100% battery charging is only takes 38 minutes, and a picture power delivery 3.0 and quick charge 4. As for the Red Magic 6 Pro, the battery is slightly smaller capacity, namely 4500 mAh, but the fast charging is greater at 120 watts. For the 50% battery charging, it only take 5 minutes. Wow, this is very fast, and also equipped with power delivery 3.0 and quick charge 5 features. For color choice, there are only two choices, namely Red Magic 6 Carbon Fiber, Black, and Cyber Neon, while for Red Magic 6 Pro, Iron Black and Ice Blade Silver. The features of this cell phone include dual stereo speaker, dual smart PA DTS X Ultra, the network is 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1 NFC near file communication, USB data cable is Type C 3.0. To open the screen using the optically display fingerprint system on the cell phone screen, and there is a face unlock. As for the SIM, using a dual SIM type and active nano SIM without additional external memory is also available. Internal cooling fan As a gaming mobile phone, there are many sporting features for gaming such as calling eyes 6.0, 1 to 7, 6 to 7 multidimensional layers consisting of a fan with a speed of 18,000 revolutions per minute to 20,000 revolutions per minute, calling canyon, airdrop, Cooper, coil, thermal gel, graphene, and VC hair sync. For the price of the ZTE NUBIA Red Magic 6 cell phone, there are 3 variants, namely the first variant with a 8GB RAM and 128GB rate in China is priced 3,799 yuan, or the equivalent of 8,400,000 rupiah in Indonesia. The second variant with 12GB RAM, 128GB rate in China priced 4,099 yuan, or the equivalent of 9,100,000 rupiah in Indonesia. The third variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB rate in China at the price 4,299 yuan, or the equivalent of 10,000,000 rupiah in Indonesia. And for the price of the ZTE NUBIA Red Magic 6 Pro cell phone, there are also 3 variants, namely the first variant with 12GB RAM, 128GB rate in China at price 4,399 yuan, or for the equivalent of 9,700,000 rupiah in Indonesia. The second variant with 12GB RAM, 256GB rate in China price 4,799 yuan, or the equivalent of 10,600,000 rupiah in Indonesia. The third variant with 16GB RAM, 256GB rate in China price 5,299 yuan, or the equivalent of 11,700,000 rupiah in Indonesia. If there is information about this cell phone that will be released globally, including in Indonesia, I will make a video update. Okay, Gadget Mania, I think that's now for my review of the cell phone from the ZTE NUBIA brand, namely ZTE NUBIA Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro. Hopefully this will be useful. Finally, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so that I can be even more excited. See you in the next video. Thank you. Greetings, Gadget Mania.
Turn it